videos for a while, so I thought I'd do this one, but I'd do it a little bit differently. Should be filming in the conservatory today, but it's absolutely throwing it down yet again, and I'm actually stood up, showing that my leg's better. Yay! So today what I'm going to do is introduce a new range called Kitchen Gadgets, and this is just easier ways of letting you cook. It's going to aid you in the kitchen, and then we say, oh well, I'd love to cook but I can't because I have these chores that I have to do, if it's washing up or making pastry, or what we're going to look at today, which is peeling fruit, veg, and in particular on this video, potatoes. So let's go on with it. So what we have here now is my very old tried and trusted potato peeler, which I've just found extra blades, so that's a bonus. I didn't know they were there. There you go. So the first thing about the product is that it comes with extra blades, maybe you can see that. So that's going to be useful. So I'll put those to one side. Now these are about £12 on eBay, and it doesn't come with a power supply. So what I do firstly is buy a standard 9-watt power supply. But basically you can run this on battery. If I press that, well, there's no batteries in it, so you can run it on battery, but I won't recommend it, so I always plug it in, as we did do then, to make sure you've got 9-watt power supply in there. And the only thing what we need now is some potatoes. So obviously once the potatoes peeled you can use them for all sorts of things, but what I'm going to do now is just simply show you how it works. So you push your potato in and push down, and move the spike down, and pull this little thing up to the top. And what that does now is puts the blade right to the top of the potato. I tend to just put a little bit of pressure there as it does it, and press the button. As you can see, it's peeled that potato quite effortlessly. You do have a little bit on the ends, but what you can do is just chop those off and then give it a wash. So these little ends here, you can just chop them off. So that's one done. We'll quickly do 4, and that one's going to go in. So we'll try this one next. The ends you just need to cut off. A super mega big one like this, you can just about get it in, and of course these are extremely handy because something like this so long, very long chips if you're having chips. So there we go, my super duper potato peel. So there we go, that's the first video in this range, and as we can tell these potatoes now are ready for chipping, mashing, whatever. Like I said before, cut the end off, wash, and they're good to go. This is going to absolutely save lots of time in the kitchen. You can do it with potato, you can do it with apples, you can do it with other things. I'll put the description up here. Mine came off eBay, it was about £10. I'll also put a link in a video where you can buy this thing. And that's it for this one. So this is just a quick video of how to save a little bit of time in the kitchen. See you soon, don't forget to like and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your bank holiday weekend. I've done one too many potatoes. I'll just put this one back.